guys, welcome to my channel. On my last video I mentioned that I'm just waiting for my alter ego order before I do makeup. So I just got this today. It says please handle with care, and it's from Alter Ego. So we're gonna do an unboxing. Let me open it. I hope they did handle this with care. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it's a day early. But it's been like I ordered this December 5, and it's already October. I mean October. It's already December 18. So that took 10, 15, 23 days. Wow. Oh, it says, thank you. Hope you love our palettes. Thank you for supporting our brand. Happy holidays. That was handwritten on my receipt. That's cool. Anyway, before I show you the Alter Ego one, let me show you my Dollar Tree haul. I think 2 days ago. Last time I showed you this headband. It's like a leather. I saw 2 more in this color. See, let me take out the tag. This one is in brown, which match my hair, and this one is in like a cool tone color, like a tan. That one looks, the other one looks better with my hair color. Also, I got this dry skin treatment body lotion. This is my 3rd one. That one is really nice. And then I already have this one, It's by Be Pure. It's the Essential Ageless Pressed Powder in Translucent. I think this is my 3rd one, but I haven't really used it a lot. But I saw this girl, she tried a Dollar Tree makeup and she said this is really nice. And she's really impressed with it, so I bought another one. And then I just saw this pressed powder by Be Pure. It says clarifying with salicylic acid in tan. I'm gonna use that as a bronzer. Obviously, it's not my shade. And I got another one in my shade, I think. It says fair. I don't think this is fair. I think this is medium. And then I saw this one. It's by Beauty Intuition highlighter. It's like a duochrome one. Oh my god, my head hurts. And I got this 12 color eyeshadow by LA Color in Supernatural for smoky effect. And I got this. They have a lot of shade like this, but I know this is the only one I'll be able to use because I'm not really into gloss. But when my lips are really dry, or there are certain looks I'm going for, I use gloss. Not often, but you know, I don't really like it. But if I need to wear it for a certain look that I'm going for, I would. And this is the kind of shade that I know I would use. This is the LA Plump Gloss in the shade Surge. And I went to Walgreens And I have a coupon, and this foundation was $7 there. But since I have a coupon, I only got it for $3 or 2 something. This is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus with with niacinamide skin tint, and this is really good. It says 24-hour hydration. This is really advisable, especially in this weather. Oh my god, all of a sudden my neck hurts. Anyway, it's all individually have a bubble wrap. But the last time I ordered from them, they are wrapped like that, but I still got a broken item. So hopefully I don't have any. I think I ordered 7 pallets. So let me open one. Excuse the sound because there's a bubble wrap. So let me open this one. I don't know where to start. Oh my. Once you open the bubble wrap, there's another bubble wrap. So this one is Shadow Kiss. Shadow Kiss. This is like, I don't know, it's a dupe for Natasha Denona, but I forgot which palette. It's really nice, cool toned, neutral colors. The light don't give it justice, but it really looks good in person. I have to Google it, which palette they are comparing this with. Next palette is called Sundown. I don't know which one is the newest one, but one of them is the newest one. And I bought this all in a regular price. Oh, ooh, this one is stunning. I love this one. This one is like a, I don't know why. This is so pretty. It looks maroon, but there's a, but when I look at it from the side, it's like green. But when I look at it, it's like maroon. Can't wait. I'm gonna swatch it once I use it, because I still need to take a photo, so I cannot swatch it, so you guys could see it better. But once I use the palette, I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, next, thank God, nothing broken so far. This one is Dream Gaze. And oh, if you're into pastel, then this color is for you, and this palette is for you. That's Dream Gaze. This is perfect for spring. I have all their palettes, not all, because some of them are out of stock when I order, but most of them I have it. I'm gonna look for my old video from last year where I ordered my first Alter Ego. And then the second one is Mirage. I like the packaging. If this is a painting, I would put it on the wall. It's really nice. Oh my god, I thought it was broken. I thought the shade was broken. I think this one looks like a Huda Beauty. And this too is cream, by the way. It looks like it. I don't know which palette they're duping, but looks like Huda Beauty for me. Because I have two phones and I have my other phone on the living room, so when I get a call, I don't answer them because I need to sleep. Because I work at night. That's why I get to do my video on daylight. Okay. The last item. Excuse the noise, okay? This bubble wrap here. This one is in Mystic. I love this color too. If I have a dress, I want it to be like this. Like a maxi dress. I think I do have one. I do have one of these. Yeah, I do. No wonder it's familiar to me. And I like the blue on this color. And it looks like this. This reminds me of a Visar palette or something. Start with V. I have some of those, but I cannot find it because I have a lot of palettes, so I forgot what you call it. This one is really nice, by the way. Especially if you love bold colors and colorful makeup. Which is also very wearable. Oh my god, what's that brand? The V. I don't remember. The last item is this Wildwood. I like this too. It's like an old, you know, like a country cassette. Like a, you know, the one, the black one, the round one from the old time. I forgot what to call it. It looks like that. And these are the shades. Oh, I love this color. I love this row here. I love that. And I love that teal green. I love this color. Oh my. It looks very 60s to me, like the 60s. I love the shade. And I also love this color. If they could make a eyeshadow color like this, that would be nice. So far, this is my most wow. The Wildwood. Because most of this color I haven't seen from other palettes. So, this is the most unique one by far. I don't know what palette they're trying to do. So I'm gonna Google that after this. And I'm gonna buy the original palette that they're trying to do if there's any. Because that color is really chef kiss. Last palette is this Miss Haven. I love this too. If I have a t-shirt, I want it to be at the back. So far, no broken palette. I think this is like the Huda Beauty again. I'm not sure. Maybe Natasha Denona have one. But this one is a cream. What is this? It says shadow. Ooh. I love this. I love this. I love it. But my most favorite is the Wildwood. So anyway, keep watching. And wait for my makeup tutorial. Not today, okay? Not today because it's already 3 in the afternoon. I really need to sleep because I'm only working 6 days. I only have one off this week, and I'm working 6 days, so I will try to do makeup, but I'm not promising anything because I always, the more I say I'm gonna do it, the more things happen, and I wasn't able to make it or find time to do it. But you know what? I don't know. I just lost my passion for makeup. I still love makeup, but doing it, I don't know. Since I have my hamsters, I really don't know. I'm gonna show you the love of my life. Why I have no time for makeup. He's my oldest hamster, and let me get him. Okay. Okay. He's one of the reason why I barely do makeup anymore. Cause I have 8 hamsters, but he's the love of my life. Loki. He's 2 years and 1 month. Hmm. 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 Sweet boy. Hmm. Hmm. Sweet. Very sweet. When he play and I call him, he would come. He follows me, even if you leave him on the table. I remember one time I was letting him play, and then I forgot I left him on the table, and I started watching it. And I finished the whole movie. When I came out to grab some soda, he was still there. He didn't try to escape. So I hope you understand why. Because he's so worth it. Look at him. He's so handsome, my old boy. Hmm? 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 See, when I try to touch holding, he's always holding my hands. Always holding mommy's hands. Hmm? 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 I'm gonna put him back now. So anyway, that's it. I hope you like it. I'm gonna take a photo at the end of the video so you guys could see it. And I'll do makeup soon. So stay tuned. Bye.